I have a new lipstick obsession, a new lip obsession. So I am now using Revlon Color Stay lip liner in mauve. So that is the lip liner portion. And then the best part is, this is Neutrogena Revitalizing Lip Balm. My favorite part about it is this SPF 20. And the color is Sunny Berry 30. It says Sunny Berry 30. Now the best part about this is that the lip liner is going to stay on the outside of your lip. And this is actually has pretty good staying power. This is more of like a chapstick. So this is my new jam. Thought I'd share it. One is Revlon and one is Neutrogena. And if you want to wear this during the summer or at the pool, it is it has a pretty high SPF for a lip color. So here's what I like about this lip combo. It's not matte and drying and super hard to get off, and it's more natural looking than a matte as well. So perfect for daytime and summer. And I think I'm gonna kind of steer away from the mattes for summer unless it's gonna be a nighttime event. And as well, it's not super sticky where your hair is gonna get in it and it's gonna cause it to stick like a gloss, but it's also not a matte. So it's kind of that nice in between.